morning, guys. I actually just finished getting ready because I'm getting brunch with a friend, so I'm gonna head out. But yeah, today is gonna be kind of my like chill solo day because I've been needing just a good solo day to recharge. So today I'm gonna try to go to Goodwill. I've been wanting to get like a colorful glass vase for my apartment, so I feel like Goodwill always has really cheap vases, so I'm gonna check there, and then also a couple nearby stores as well. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I'm back from brunch and I went to a couple of thrift stores just to see what they have, and I ended up getting this really cute flower vase right here. I got this for like $1, which is so cheap, but I thought it'd be really cute to put on top of my dining table, which I still need to buy, but I will get there. But I just received my adhesive curtain rod track in the mail, and I'm gonna put this up. And I actually saw this on TikTok where people were upgrading their apartments, and it's just a renter-friendly way to hang up curtains. So I decided to get it because I currently have blinds and it's just a lot of work to raise it and lower it every day, and I also think curtains will just really open up the space and add a little extra aesthetic to it. So I'm gonna try to hang it right now. The first thing I had to do was connecting the rod tracks together, and the package comes with connectors. But what I didn't realize was when I tried to attach the track, it was too long, so I ended up breaking it up into smaller sections so it was easier to stick to the wall. And I attached the track about 1 inch away from the blinds so I could still lower them if I wanted to. And then after, I just attached the hooks to my linen curtains and hung them onto the track. It was a pretty easy DIY, but it changes the space entirely and gives it a really cozy vibe, so I definitely recommend this. Alright guys, so I bought these little adhesive hooks from Amazon, and they're just like this plain matte black color. I'm going to hang them in my entryway above the console table I got, and I think it'll just be really useful to have to like hang bags and hats. For this renter-friendly DIY, I started off by measuring the length of my table so I could know how to space my hangers. I basically shaved a couple inches off the table length, and that was the wall measurement I worked with. Afterwards, I just divided the length by 3 and marked where the hangers should go. For the hangers themselves, I was actually scared that the adhesive it came with was not renter-friendly, so I ended up covering it with 3M tape, which is an effective adhesive that won't rip my walls off. Then I started sticking my hangers, and here you can see I'm constantly measuring with my tape measure to make sure they're all equally spaced. And that was it. I love how it turned out, and it's also such a functional way to hang things in your entryway. Alright guys, so I just went to pick up my dining table, but it is the IKEA tulip table, and I just wanted it because I feel like it's a perfect size for a small space. But I think it fits so perfectly with my apartment, so I'm really excited. And yeah, now I finally have a dining table. Good morning guys, it is Saturday and I'm actually gonna head out soon to go to my friend's dog's birthday party. It's super cute, but my friend is throwing a birthday party for her puppy, and her dog is like the most adorable dog in the world, like objectively. But my plan and hope for tonight is just to have a chill night in. Ever since I moved to my apartment, I've been so like physically tired. And I think a lot of it has just been like literally going and getting furniture every day. And also because I live in First Hill, I did not realize this, but First Hill is actually on such a big hill, hence the name First Hill. But it's just extremely hilly to get to my apartment, and so every day I'm like literally doing like Stairmaster on steroids just to get to my apartment, which honestly is good for my legs and my glutes, but I have been so like physically drained because of that, because I'm not used to it. But also I've been like trying to get back into exercising regularly, so I've been running, doing Pilates. So I think just everything combined, I've been a little tired. So hopefully tonight I can have a little chill night in. All right, I think I have to head out, so let's go. Home, and I actually had so much fun today. The birthday party was such a vibe. We just did a picnic at Olympic Sculpture Park and it was just so cute. My friend got her dog a birthday cake too, so yeah, it was just the most wholesome, adorable party. I actually wanted to talk about something that I've noticed while I've been living alone for about 3 weeks now. I've been really able to be alone in my thoughts. And I think for me, because I'm someone who's very sensitive to my environment and I tend to absorb a lot from my environment, whether it's like other people's emotions or just like noise, just things like that. I think I'm like pretty sensitive to that. But now that I'm in my own space where it's just complete silence except for me, I feel like in a way it kind of amplifies my thoughts a lot more, but in a good way where I'm able to really clearly hear them and kind of also like recognize what I'm thinking or what I'm feeling. And I was talking about this with another friend who lives alone, and she was telling me how a good part of it is that no one can influence your thoughts or like what you think, which I think is so true because I'm someone who tends to ask like my friends a lot what they think of a situation because I truly value their life experiences and their perspective on things. But I think there is so much value in being able to be completely alone in your thoughts and being able to listen to truly what you think and what you feel in a certain situation or whatever you're thinking about. And I think it goes back to ultimately just also being true to yourself. And in ways, I think it could also help me process things on my own. Just a way that kind of forces you to confront things head on and process it yourself rather than like running away from it. I think that also too has naturally led me to just more prayer and also just talking more and spending more time with God. And bringing those thoughts to him. So yeah, all in all, I've been really enjoying it and I think it's been really good for me. So alright guys, so I went to Trader Joe's and I wanted to show you guys what I got because they have their fall stuff out now. I think one of the reasons I love fall is because of Trader Joe's stuff. This is not fall related, but this is like seriously one of my favorite things that Trader Joe's sells, and it's the frozen Korean kalbi or beef short ribs, but it's so good. It's already marinated. You literally just have to defrost it, and I actually didn't know they carry this in Washington. It was like my first time seeing it in a Seattle Trader Joe's, so I got 2 of these because I got really excited. And then I got the spice cider from Trader Joe's, and this is like one of their fall items that I get every single year because it's just so good. And then I also got Trader Joe's spiced chai concentrate. I literally just saw this and it was like the last one available, so I was really curious and I wanted to try it. And you just mix it with milk, but it looked good, so I'm excited to try this because I love chai. Okay, here's another fall Trader Joe's item. It's their caramel apple mochi, and this is actually my first time ever seeing this item. I don't know if it's new or not, but I loved their mochi ice cream and I was like, what the heck? I was just so intrigued by the flavors, so I got it. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. And then this item is not fall related, but I saw it and I was like, this is so smart and so cute. But it's just little packets of garlic for 1 serving, and they're frozen, so you can literally just like pop it out when you're cooking. And I don't know, I think this is just such a smart, convenient way to get 1 serving of garlic for when you cook. So I bought it because I don't know, it's just really cute, so I got it. I just made the chai latte and I only had oat milk, so I put oat milk in it, but hopefully it still tastes good. Wait, this is actually so good. Okay, this is definitely, I give it like a 4 out of 5. And I like it because you can actually adjust how concentrated you want your chai latte to be. I just followed the instructions, which is like part 1 chai concentrate to 2 parts milk. And I like this a lot, so I definitely recommend this. But yeah, it's really good. I'm actually so shocked.